Hi audience, we're here with Anna and she's telling us about some of her Anna Smart Cake cookies. What do you have on the menu today, Anna?
I'd like to introduce you to Apricot-Cornmeal-Sage cookies.
Wow.
So yeah, the name tells you what the ingredients are. Apricot, which is somewhat unusual, you know, we used to raisins and currants and so on. So apricot is a little bit more unusual, so you'll find a nice flavor with that. Cornmeal, so it has a nice sort of grainy texture, which is somewhat unusual in cookies. And of course, sage is a wonderful herb that we normally would use, say, if you're seasoning up a meat or something. But trust me, it tastes wonderful inside this cookie. So Anna Smart Cake signature is that the cookies are less sweet, and this one is no exception. This is part of the Big Smarty collection. Right, of cookies. And the idea is that this is something for adults who want to indulge with their sweet tooth, but it's not too sweet. It's perfect with, say, an afternoon tea. So this is the Apricot Cornmeal Sage cookie.
I just love that combination. It sounds great. And how does it come across in terms of texture and taste?
Well, as I said, it has a slightly grainy texture which comes from the cornmeal, and that makes it really nice. It goes down very well. I have to say that this is one of the favorites. I remember when we were doing the testing, all of the people who tasted it immediately said, this is it. You know, and I had told them in the testing, you don't have to eat the entire cookie. This was one they all ate the entire cookie.
Well, yeah, I think I'm going to go eat one myself right now, so I can understand that. Thanks very much, Anna. We look forward to hearing about some of your other Big Smarty cookies.
All right.